Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi, and before I start today's video, I have to thank you all. Today we have completed 1K subscribers and I cannot be happy enough. Alright, I'm really grateful for you all to watch my videos. You guys subscribe my channel and thank you. But I know today you all are for business here. We'll talk about the last process of this cabin crew selection procedure for Indigo Airlines, and the third step is class 2 medicals. Alright, so if you want to understand the other whole journey, you can go and check my channel. I have made a video about my cabin crew interview experience, what were the questions asked, how I answered them, what are the recent questions that are being asked, what is the medical examination, how it takes place, कौन से test होते हैं, everything I have made a detailed video, and how can you apply and what are the main vacancies. Everything I have made a video on. You can go and check. But today we are going to talk about class 2 medicals. So in the previous video, I explained you all about the medical examination process that happens. कहाँ होता है, कैसे होता है. So basically, first जो medical होता है, they contact you, they tell you कि ठीक है, where do you want to give your medical examination. Once you are selected after you have given your interview and you are selected for the medical, then only you will get that call. So you tell them the city. Mostly it's in the same city where you have given your interview. So you go and they will connect you with a hospital or a lab. You will get an email about when you have to reach there, and it mostly takes like 3, 4, 5 hours. I have made a detailed video कि कौन से टेस्ट होते हैं, कैसे होता है, कितना टाइम लगता है, क्या करना होता है. Everything you can go and check. But that's not the last process. So once you have cleared your medical examination and you get the email of fit to join, you have to go for class 2 medicals. And this happens in Delhi. Okay, so my first medical test was on 27th March. Yeah, 27th March 2025. And I got the mail of fit to join the next day. Yeah, in 2-3 days I got the mail of fit to join. After that, they contacted me. They gave me a whole email about regarding my class 2 medicals. So my class 2 medicals was on 17th April 2025. I got the email about the venue, the timings, and where I have to reach, what I have to wear, and all those things. So the class 2 medicals takes place in Delhi. It is near, in the Indigo's office. It's near the Guru Dronacharya metro station. It's just opposite to it. All right. One thing which is very important for you all to know is abhi kuch time pehle tak the company used to bear the travel expenses of the candidates for the class 2 medicals as well, but now they're not doing that. So now you have to pay your own travel expenses, or you have to bear it on your own. आपको Delhi जाना है. If you're not from Delhi, you have to go there for your medical examinations. Sorry, class 2 medicals. And now what happens in the class 2 medicals? Okay. तो मेरा टाइमिंग वॉज 8:30. मेरे सारे एग्जाम्स का टाइमिंग आई थिंक 8:30 था इन द मॉर्निंग. सो आई रीच देयर. आई वॉज क्वाइट अर्ली. आई रीच देयर बाय 7:30. नो वन वॉज देयर. देयर वॉज जस्ट 2 other girls. I reached, so there was one other girl, and then after me, one more came. So we were 3 of us sitting there, and the process started at like 9:30ish. Okay, but I will suggest don't be late. Be on time. With us, it was like the HR had some like emergencies, so she had to have a substitute for us. So it was a whole chaos that day. But I will suggest all of you to be on time. Okay, so when I reached, we were quite early, but our medicals, the whole process started by 9:30ish. Okay, so the first thing they do is we were 22 girls, so they divided us in 10-10 groups. They gave us a form that we had to fill. So उसमें अपना नाम, your address, you have to write the very correct address. Everything should be on point. And where are you from? Where you have done your schooling from? Any medical history from your family, सब में मतलब कुछ ऐसा नहीं, मतलब everything. That's a very lengthy form. They tell you how to fill it. I mean, they showed us on a screen how to fill the form. Everything, one by one, step by step. So they are very sweet. For us, the HR was so sweet. The HR we got was so sweet. She was very helpful. She was helping us throughout the process. She was very calm and composed. So I think everyone there was. So don't be shy to ask again if you have any trouble. Don't be shy कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. Don't mess up things. Ask. They are ready to help you. So the first thing you do is you fill the form. they'll tell you step by step कैसे भरना है, क्या भरना है, आपको वो करना है. So after you have done filling your form, they will again do a physical examination, which is they'll check your eyesight, BMI, and BMI and eyesight. They will check again. Then there's a psychological exams that everyone is talking about कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. It's nothing very lengthy. There is this ma'am who's sitting there. You have to go. She will have a normal conversation with you. Nothing very lengthy. Just she wants to get into your psyche, how you are, everything. What basic hota hai. For me, it was like I went there. She was like, "Hi, how are you?" I'm like, "I'm fine. How are you?" And she was very polite. She asked me to sit down. I sat there. She asked me 2-3 questions like, "Why do you want to become a cabin crew?" And then who's there in your family? I'm like, my mom, dad, my siblings. She asked me, "What does your father do? What does your mother do?" And that's it. Also, she asked me if I have any anxiety or any such issues. I was like, no, I don't have anything. I was wearing a full sleeve shirt, so she asked me to roll my sleeves up. तो आपको ऐसे sleeves यहाँ तक ऐसे, you have to roll your sleeves up, and they check your arms if there's any scratches or any self harm का कोई निशान, anything. नहीं होना चाहिए, obviously. So they checked that. That was the all process, and I think she was asking the basic same questions to everyone. After that you have your report shown. तो आपका जो class 1 में medical होता है, जो आपका medical exam होता है, आपको उसकी reports नहीं मिलती है. You only get the mail whether you are fit to join, fit to fly. वो तो नहीं मिलता है. Fit to join, temporarily unfit or unfit. But these reports you are not shown. But on the second medicals, okay, class 2 medicals में, there's this doctor sitting there. You have to sit with her. There's this ma'am, and she will go through your reports one by one, everything. ठीक है? And then she'll check, okay, how's your blood, how's your everything, all the tests that were conducted. They will check that कि किसी चीज में कोई problem तो नहीं है. So many girls on the same day. Again, I will suggest, it's clearly mentioned also, you have to take your eye prescription. If you are wearing specs or lenses, take your prescription with you. A doctor's prescription, recent prescription, कि आप lenses पहन रहे हो या you're wearing glasses, what is your power? Okay, because they also do the class 1 medicals, they also do the eye examination. उनके पास already reports हैं. ठीक है? Now many girls were like, there's few things जिनके लिए उनका they had to do the eye examination. Thankfully, touch wood. My reports were, everything was normal. I was given the fit to fly the same day I got the mail. Not the same day, sorry. The next day I got the mail of fit to fly. मेरे को ऐसा कोई trouble नहीं आया. But many girls were there who were like sent back to do some or the other medical exams. अभी कईयों के, like I'm in contact with few, so I know few of them are still working on their health. Some of them had low hemoglobin. Some of them had some eye problem, okay, eyesight issues, and all these things. थोड़ी बहुत चीजें थी, and they had to work on it, and they didn't get the fit to fly instantly. And some of them are still waiting for their medical results. Then they will share it with the team, and then they will get the letter. Okay, so for some it was very easy. कि कुछ को थोड़ा बहुत eye test कराना था, and they had to just go and get the prescription. They will get the prescription, they'll share it, and they got you get the prescription, you share it, and you will get the mail. ठीक है? That was easy. But for some, जैसे अभी किसी का बहुत ज़्यादा hemoglobin कम है, तो they will ask कि okay, do the test again, क्या पता अभी difference हो, and they give the time. ऐसा नहीं time नहीं मिलता है. I think that is the class 2 medicals for you. So you go there, you fill the form, you have one-on-one interaction, which is the psychological thing, and then you get your basic BMI, eyesight check. Then there's the doctor, she will see all your reports. She will suggest if you have to repeat any tests or you have to get any tests done. And then you will go and get your test done, and you will get the email of fit to fly. That's the whole process. Again, one more thing I want to clear, कि इसमें अगर आपको आता है कि you have to repeat some tests या फिर they suggest you to do some tests, this charge is going to be paid by you. The company won't pay this because they are already paying for your class 1 medicals. उसमें बहुत thorough tests होते हैं, बहुत सारे tests होते हैं, so they won't pay for this test. If you have to repeat any test again, they are not going to pay for it. And that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. If you have any further queries, do let me know. Comment down below and I'll be happy to help. I tried to respond to all of the comments, and if I somehow miss, I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry because I think I tried to respond to 98, 99%. If you're left behind in that 1 or 2%, I'll try better. Okay, I'll try being better. But yeah, bye bye. Have a great day.